Hello and good evening, everybody. 18th of May 2024 वीकली राउंड अप लेकर आ गए हैं हम फिर से और इस वीक में थोड़े से एक्सेप्शंस थे. 6 long days ऑफ ट्रेडिंग. आज का ट्रेडिंग सेशन जो था वो अपना अलग कारणों से था बट था. और एक और एक्सेप्शन है कि हमारे पार्टनर इन काइंड जिनके साथ हम वीकली राउंड अप करते हैं वो अभी इंडिया में नहीं है, नीदरलैंड में है. बट इसका ये बिल्कुल मतलब नहीं है कि हम उनको परेशान नहीं करेंगे. दो ही इज आउट ऑन वेकेशन बट हमारा काम भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो चलिए लेट्स ब्रिंग हिम इन और थोड़ा सा पूछते हैं कि क्या लग रहा है मार्केट. हाय हाय अंकित, गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रॉम इंडिया.
Yeah, hi. Good morning. Good morning. I'm in Netherlands. I'm in a place called Utrecht, and it's morning over here.
So how's
Yes,
the weather and how's everything?
it's all well. It's quite cool. Much relief from the 40 plus degrees odd that we were living in, and
Yeah,
then like suddenly I'm here at about 14 degrees, which is the Dutch summer as they call it. Yeah, yeah.
lovely. So, how was the week gone by, and how was the roller coaster of Thursday and everything that you could witness?
So I'll just dive straight right into it. Uh, Again, I laid emphasis on VIX last week,
Right,
volatility index. VIX continued its way up. It has gone up beyond 20, 21, 22 levels, which is why we see the kind of volatility and the lack of volumes, which is that there in the market. Uh, Last week lot of downside was there. This week again, this week was good, but it has given a, psychologically, Sensex 74,000, Nifty 22,500, very good levels. But
right.
like I keep saying that, the VIX has to settle down, and then
Hmm.
this movement has any we can derive any meaning or any this thing of a fresh rally out of it.
Right,
Till then I feel that you know this political scenario till 4th of June, it will always be a seesaw. The volatility will remain. Fundamentally, there is nothing really much happening. The corporate results have been subdued. I've maintained that over last 2 weeks in most companies. Well, there are exceptions that companies, exceptional companies that have given great results, and
right.
they are touching 52-week high. Ashok Leyland, for example, last week touched a 52-week high, great results and all that. See, there are exceptions definitely there, but most companies have kind of missed their expectations. So fundamentally speaking, there is not much happening, not much of a positive or negative trigger. But yeah, but we are in a scenario where every week there's some one round of polling is there, and a lot of speculation has been done on which party is going to get what seats and all that. So it will be a markets will continue to be a seesaw till the time we
Right.
have definite results. So yeah, so अगर आप देखें इस वीक में, तो इस वीक में भी we had really good news, positive news from the US. Dow touched 40,000. It closed above 40,000. Their CPI figure came in at what, 3.5, 3.6%. And
3.6, right.
yeah, and then that it's the Fed is comfortable at 2.5%, so they speak. So once, as we are inching towards that, I feel there might be a strong case of then cutting the rate, and with all of that. So on that basis, globally, markets may cheer that. So it that could be one reason, and see, the political jitters that were talked about last week, they've kind of
Right.
subsided in this week. You know,
Hmm.
whether it's claims made by the in the press, or some
Right, right.
some भाषणबाजी or whatever.
Yeah.
वो कोई भी आप रीजन उसको दे दीजिए, वो एक साइकोलॉजिकली वो जिटर्स की इफेक्ट थोड़ी कम हुई है. Which is why market have again pulled up to that 22,500 mark. But again, I'm going to quickly shift into going forward next week also. I
Week
do.
coming ahead. Right.
Yeah, week coming ahead. So like I said that, the week that went by before this, do not read too much into the correction, sharp correction with so much high volatility. Do not read too much into the sharp upside with that. If you look at it, we ended this week from 22,000 to 22,500 points. This was 500 point in 1 week
Right.
with a lot of volatility. I don't read any of these sharp movements, read too much into any of these sharp movements with a lot of volatility. This is not a downside will not
Mm-hmm.
say that the markets are turning bearish, or the upside will not say the markets are turning bullish. We can only be definitive, like I'm saying, with an investment point of view, not a trading point of view. We cannot
Right.
say that this 500 point upside means a fresh rally is in the offing, or a new market lifetime high is gonna come in the near future. But yes, till the time we get the results of the elections, the markets will remain volatile. It will be a seesaw. It will be, the traders might not come in comfortably into the market. After that, what will happen is really depending on the result
The results.
of election. So let's not let's not jump too far. It's still 2 weeks are there. Okay, let's not jump too far. Let us see week by week. Let us see day by day. Okay,
Right.
like I have always maintained, that range, the comfortable trading range, it is there. Last 6 weeks
Perfect.
also it is there.
Does that mean that we're maintaining a range that we have been talking about for past 4 weeks now, I believe? We're not breaking
Six,
the range
six
as of
weeks,
now.
6 weeks, Rachit, if I'm not
6 weeks.
mistaken, 6 weeks,
Sorry, 6 weeks.
6 weeks. We have done weeks which above the range. We have done weeks closing below the range also, and we have neutralized and normalized and come back to that magical figure of 22,500. If you see last 6 weeks of market, it is
Right.
boiling down to that converging to that point. So I feel that, talk about resistance and support trading wise, I feel that that is the point where markets need to consolidate. And by consolidate, I mean the trading community or the traders at large have to be comfortable at those levels to play around in the market. Only then I can say that, I will buy at 22,500 or 600 or 700. I'm looking at 23, 24,000. Only then I can be comfortable in saying that.
Perfect. So we maintain our 6 weeks long range, entering into the truncated week because Monday being
Yes.
Mumbai elections, it's a holiday.
Yes.
So we'll have 4 days of trading session with that range in place. So I believe that's all that we have for the coming week.
Yes, yes, that is all we have for the coming week. And I will be on the move. So, but I will still try to connect with you over the
Right.
next weekend. I wherever I can, I'll definitely come in and share my two bits on the week that went by.
We'll be looking forward to it.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you, thank you,
And
thank you,
enjoy your vacation. But
thank you.
please remember that we'll be haunting you again next weekend for the weekly roundup.
Most welcome. Most welcome. Always a pleasure.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good weekend. Bye bye.
Yeah. Same to you. Bye.